Hi, this is YouTube 31 Pockets, and I'd like to welcome everybody back to my part number 11 of the John Deere 1032 restoration and modification video. Now, we finally got some snow, so we're going to take the snowblower outside today and do a snow load test on it. And we're going to do that by taking it in different areas around the yard where the snowstorm left different heights. Now, we have a 4-inch, a 6-inch, and a 1-foot testing that we're going to do, and we're going to take the snowblower and put it on speed number 5, which is high, in each and every one of these tests. And we're not going to baby it, and we're not going to take baby steps behind it. We're just going to flat out use the 16 horsepower in what it was intended for. So basically, we're going to get started, and now on our episode number 12, we're going to take and do a review on it, and in that episode we're going to let you guys know where we got a lot of the parts, a lot of cost on everything involving with the new modification, and we're going to review a lot of the stuff that we went through to make this snowblower the way it is. So anyways, today's date is January 8th, 2010, and since it's the beginning of the season, I'd like to wish everyone a Happy New Year's, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I can't wait to get outside to use it. So let's get going.